Glad to have you back with us here in the Cisco TV studio. Thank you for tuning in to this broadcast all over Europe, all over the world, wherever it is that you happen to be watching from. We are so glad to have you with us here today and throughout the week here at Cisco Live 2019 Barcelona. As you can see, we just finished another fantastic innovation showcase. This time we were talking about reimagining IT for a multi-cloud world. We had Christoph Doss with us, VP of Product Management, and Kip Compton, our Senior VP Engineering. And right now, even as we speak, Nish is running around out there on the World of Solutions show floor. She's waiting for Kip to free up from the stage, and as soon as she gives me that thumbs up, we're going to throw it out to Nish and Kip, and they're going to have a good conversation, go over what we heard in the innovation showcase, maybe get a little background information as well. Customers are making the journey to digital transformation. Infrastructures have a whole lot more pressure on them these days than they ever have before. They have to span the enterprise data center, the cloud, the edge. That is that Cisco bridge we keep hearing and seeing everywhere that we go. Cisco and our partners, we bring the on-prem and the cloud-native environments together, and this way we can operate as one fantastic entity, and that's so much of what we heard about in that showcase that we just completed. Again, we're so glad to have you with us here in the broadcast. We're going to run you right up to the next innovation showcase. We're going to be talking about business critical service innovations. Tony Brook, Alistair Wildman are going to be with us. Once again, I want to remind you to keep reaching out to us using hashtag CLEUR. We have got so much social media here at the event. We're gathering all of your tweets and your posts, and every way that you reach out to us, I promise that we're going to keep reaching back to you as well. Hit that online portal, and remember to keep watching all of this content anywhere that you like to watch it. We prefer that you go to CiscoLive.com because that gives you all that other deep, fun data that helps you get involved. If you want to watch on YouTube or on Facebook, that's perfectly fine as well. The trick is to continue to tune back into the broadcast. Always new, running 24 hours a day, even when we're not broadcasting. You get the replays of the stuff that you might have missed during the day's broadcast. We encourage you, as much as you possibly can, tune in with us, connect with us, tell us what you think. If you're really enjoying aspects of the broadcast, great, we want to hear it from you. If there are certain things you would like to see in the broadcast on future Cisco Live events, that is perfectly fine as well. We're always happy to hear your recommendations, take those into consideration. All right, I've just been given word that Nish and Kip are available and ready for us. We're going to send it out to the Innovation Showcase with Kip Compton, our Senior VP, Cloud Platform and Solutions Group, and my friend Nish, over to you. Take it away.
Thanks, Steve. Yes, I'm here at the World of Solutions, and we've just had another great, fantastic innovation showcase. This time talking about the very big topic of cloud. So I'm thrilled to be joined by Kip. Hi, Kip, how are you doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Could you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit around your role and what you're doing here at Cisco?
Yeah, sure. I'm Kip Compton. I run the Cloud Products and Solutions Group at Cisco, which really has a number of products in it, like the new Cloud Center Suite that we announced here in Barcelona, but also works across Cisco on our overall cloud strategy with our customers.
Got it, and you've just done a fantastic innovation talk here. What were some of the key themes that were coming out in that talk?
Well, you know, some of the key themes are really the challenges that our customers face with multi-cloud and the business imperative to overcome those challenges to get to the innovation that they need there. And we talked about how Cisco's portfolio of products can help customers solve some of the complexity and take advantage of multi-cloud.
So we often talk about on-prem and public cloud environments. So could you tell us about some of the challenges that you're hearing from customers? What are some of the things that are happening in the industry?
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, when we talk about multi-cloud, the on-prem environment is an indispensable part of that. Almost all of our customers need to bridge that environment with the public cloud. But there's a lot of challenges there. You know, how do you measure application performance across those environments? How do you achieve consistent networking and security across those environments? And we've got great capabilities along with our partners to help our customers do that.
And coming to Cloud Center and our partnership with AWS, could you tell us a bit more about that and how does that fit into the picture?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, hybrid cloud being a critical element for our customers, we've been busy working with AWS and we're really excited to announce in December our hybrid solution with AWS for Kubernetes. And that leverages the new Cloud Center Suite, but also HyperFlex, the Cisco Container Platform, and Cisco Networking to give customers a seamless experience of running workloads between AWS and their on-prem Cisco data centers.
Great, it sounds like a great partnership. So you had a customer join you, I believe, just now. So could you tell us a bit more around the background of the customer and what was the story that they were sharing here today?
Yeah, absolutely. Jacques from Talendis joined us. Talendis is a great partner and customer of Cisco. They operate clouds as well as help customers with their cloud journeys. And Jacques talked about how multi-cloud is indispensable for a lot of his customers, especially in regulated industries, where they need the flexibility to move between cloud environments to meet different regulatory requirements. And he talked about how Cisco's technology portfolio, combined with the services from partners like Talendis, can really help customers take advantage of this new world.
Great. So could you tell us a bit more about the experience at Cisco Live and what is the cloud team showing here?
No, it's fantastic. I mean, every year Cisco Live Barcelona or Europe is more exciting. More people this year. We're showing more products. It's great to show how our multi-cloud portfolio has grown. You know, not only with the Cloud Center Suite announcement and the ACI Anywhere and HyperFlex Anywhere announcements here at the show, but with the things that we've announced last year and the innovation that we can bring. So just a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm. We're really excited, having a fantastic week.
Great, thanks so much, Kip. Back to you in the studio.
Sorry, hang on. Hi there, guys. Welcome back into the studio. Sorry about that. See, I get distracted. We talk about how connection is such a huge part of Cisco Live. I just connected. People are walking by. It's a chance for us to see old friends, and sometimes it even takes us away from the monitors in here. All right, so we're talking cloud. We've been talking cloud for a while here, and we're going to kind of try to put the button back on cloud here. But if you imagine your cloud world and the nature of cloud, that we make cloud simpler for you, that is really what it's all about. Public clouds, on-prem applications, infrastructure, what do you need to do? Here at Cisco, what we're all about is bringing together networking and security and analytics and management. The point is, how do we help you connect and protect and consume clouds out there in this multi-cloud world better, smarter? Our Cisco Cloud Services, we let you power your multi-cloud world, we let you simplify it, we give you evolution into hybrid cloud, so you get that competitive advantage and great success. I hope you'll take advantage, go and research Cisco Cloud, jump on board. We're going to help to make that very easy to implement and keep you secure the entire way. Now, we always say that the best way to tell our story here at Cisco is we talk to our customers. We let them tell the story. We've got a great video. You just heard the mention about that. Jacques Talendis was featured in Kip and Katie's Innovation Showcase, and they figured that was the right story to feature. We've got a short video on Talendis. Take a look at this. I'll see you in about 2 minutes.
Talendis is an integrator, a telco, and a cloud operator.
We offer a complete digital transformation multi-cloud strategy.
You have a very fragmented world of IT providers. But if you look at the hyperscale providers, there are only 4 around. And that's a risk for a customer. You should certainly not work only with one provider.
Every cloud is different. They offer different capabilities.
We have to select what is best for our customers. That results very often in multi-cloud.
We want to make sure that our customers don't get lost in this multi-cloud space. We want to enable them in a public cloud, but also in a private data center, but taking into account security aspects, networking aspects.
Cisco is tackling the public cloud business with its hybrid solutions.
Our hybrid strategy is the strategy that we advise our customers to adopt.
With Cisco, we can have a single pane of glass such that we achieve a platform independence between all the cloud providers.
If a cloud goes down, you balance the load over to another one.
You can run these applications wherever you want, and if you want to get out, you can get out anytime.
You need to make sure how you can transition away from the public cloud. What's your exit strategy?
Big-scale cloud providers and the banks, they have sometimes a hard time to come to an agreement.
We live in both worlds. We are, by the way, regulated ourselves by the financial regulator in this country, and because of that we know the rules quite well. We do a certain level of customization by assembling the solutions in a way that make them comply.
The tool set that Cisco is building on top resonates very well with the needs of our customer.
It makes a lot of sense for us to work with Cisco. We feel that we are totally aligned.
We don't want to have a vested interest in any of the public clouds. Cisco is agnostic towards the large vendors, and that's why both Cisco and us are very successful in this multi-cloud strategy.
Companies like Talendis help you work with different providers, and companies like Cisco provide us the right technology to satisfy our customers' needs in a very complex multi-cloud world.
The cloud revolution that we see coming is like a tsunami. It will just roll over everybody, and there's no way you can escape. The only thing that you can do is learn and adapt yourself to that new world.
Well, thank you so much, Jacques, and Telendis. Great partnership between Cisco and Telendis, and we're really grateful. This is the way you need to hear the stories told. They are absolutely vital stories. Cloud is power, cloud is agility, it is strength, and this is what you need to get on board with in this multi-cloud world. We are going to go back out one more time to the World of Solutions show floor. Nish is standing by. We got another interview out there, don't you, my friend?
I do, thanks Steve. So we're here at the Multi-Cloud World booth. Hi, I'm here with Tuan. How are you doing, Tuan?
I'm very great, thank you.
So could you tell us a little bit about what you're showing here today in the World of Solutions?
I certainly can, sure. Let me walk around and then, all right. Okay, so what we'll be talking about today is the evolution that our multi-cloud management product is going through. So the product is called Cloud Center historically, and now it's called Cloud Center Suite. And one of the major things that has changed is that we're going from a VM-based delivery type of platform to a Kubernetes-based platform. Mainly the reason why that's relevant to our customers is that it helps them to manage their cloud platform infrastructures the way that we manage our apps on the iPhones or Android phones, right? So all we have to do is, we go to our phone, we update our apps, and it's self-sustaining. It's just that easy. And the way that we're doing that in Cloud Center, let me show you, is that we're allowing our cloud architects and our cloud administrators to do the very same thing. All they have to do is press update, and then we manage the sustainability of those updates and the maintenance windows. Yeah. Okay? Now, the thing to note is within this evolution, the Cloud Center, all of the capabilities that we delivered within Cloud Center are now coming into the Workload Manager module of Cloud Center Suite. So we've changed it from a single platform composed of different macro components into a suite that has 3 major modules. I'm going to show you those modules, one of which is Workload Manager. And Workload Manager has all of the strong heritage of capabilities that was delivered by Cloud Center, okay? Now, the other module is Cost Optimizer, and Cost Optimizer is really positioned to save our customers money wherever they're consuming their cloud workloads and services. And then, of course, there's the Action Orchestrator. I'm going to show you that. So what you're seeing here is just application profiles that are very familiar to our Cloud Center customers. None of that goes away, right? All of the requirements for the application profiles are here inside of the application framework, the management canvas, and then for our customers to develop relationships within the tiers, it's just that easy. This really makes it very simple for development teams or DevOps teams or even IT administrators who really have no experience with Cloud Center to interact with our framework. Right? And then, of course, we still enable the capability to provide deployments to a hybrid cloud model. So I was just talking to a customer. They can deploy, they have various clouds, and they can deploy different tiers to different cloud providers. So all of that is there. Now, the Cost Optimizer is very nice because it allows our customers to take a look at the cloud platform that hosts the majority of their workloads, where those workloads reside geographically, what the growth trend is over time, and whether that's expected within the budget cycle, and then, of course, costs by category. So many of our customers know what their consumption is if you're referring to compute, storage, network, but not the platform as a service types of services. And so we're visualizing that here for our customers.
That looks great, and it's very easy to use dashboard and the way that it's presented as well. Thank you so much. So that's all that we have time for today, but Tuan, could you tell us where people can learn a bit more about this?
Sure, so it's the Cloud Center landing page on Cisco, yeah, and we've published new content there this week.
Fantastic, so cisco.com. That concludes this section, and hope to see you again in a second.